My people, big up on yourself. There in a Canarsie, you know. Yes, right now we're up on Rockaway Parkway right now. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, man. Give thanks another day, right? Big up to the viewers and subscribers, so. And to the one them who want to subscribe to big up on yourself. Is it? Yeah. Out here. Look like it out for rain star. Look like you want rain, you know, people. That's one of them something is still. It's true, I don't control the rain. We have to give thanks without it rain, sun or shine. That's still give thanks. Go through, man, go through. That's it, you know, it's cold out there, you know. So I'm gonna try to hold up the one and see if we can let it across the street to go let it through. Who want to really, you know, the real life, I turn up in a cold and wait for that. Did them look on the one there a while ago? Yes. Avenue L and Rems, Canarsie. Seal over this, what I like. My viewers and subscribers when I like, go on a better view, you see it? Yeah. Never know still in a car. People want a house to buy, bro. Even if another one there. People want to them want, and that is it, bro. That is it. One thing that look on the road there, you know, be a camera out there, you know, bro. About 15 miles per hour, you probably get that ticket. That me I tell you. That I walk going around that side there. You know what I don't realize? Every time I start my vlog, I just get the munchies. Now I need some food. Swear to God. One piece scooter, I run out of gas. Reach him destination, I think I brought down the dog brought down. You know the bike thing set in the belt, boss all kind of thing. Oh, you know, if you know, you know. Y'all them a wine and shake up in this party. Upside down like Biggie Bank in here. See that camera there? the school zone here. Yeah, graffiti them and them myself on that truck there. Bad. Bad. It's tough. It's tough, G. It's tough. It's tough. Cooper Sport, man. Tough. Sport, you know. Bad. You know, say mini fast, you know, bro. Oh, if you know, you know. Enough car no fast like mini. Don't look for a mini and I say, oh, little vehicle that's fast like a plane. If you set a mini and drop it on the track, one of the fastest thing out there. You put a big engine in that. You don't even have to do too much. And fast. People just love to see all the Mini Cooper and I go say, yo, you know, can't run left that, man. Try. Try. Depends who I drive it. Don't get it wrong there, you can smoke one of them, you know. Right? And such man a rev up. Yo, such man a rev up. Ben's naked. It's fire. Whole heap of work in them over this, brother. You can't go over there, so yo, some workshop you have to know if you bring a car in the farm. If you go one place and you just see car there, they look like a graveyard, you might not want to carry a car there, so dog. Me need to see car and get released. What I go on, which car I forward out of the shop, I don't need to see bag of car cover up. How long would that take with them? You go put yours on the list. God go with you. By the time you get back your car, boy, I might tell us you have some out to wrap up. Yeah. And now good winter where you need your vehicle, bro. The next Mini Cooper there. Well there, man. Oh, this the B8 bus. Man, if you didn't know see this a bus I run again, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, sorry, bless you. Yes, my people, regular day I drive in a canal, you know. Show you back a few of the road. Burger King. You see Burger King have a new thing going over there, bro. Burger King, I wanna move, so. It's a large French fries, large Coca-Cola. That you say. Just turn down the church traffic, guys. You see what they say now? Set up that now, bro. You see that intersection there, what they say? You mean that's something there. no in that. We no in that. Well, the salt man over this line up like say no something we don't know. Where I'm going? Like umbre. Such man prepare for snow. What say? We don't want a couple of cars to buy that. Jesus Christ. Look over the dealership. Tesla. Mazzy! I push the Mazzy. Tesla. But I rather the BMW over the Tesla still. And I like it. And that's my preference. That. Don't get it wrong, you know. I would drive a Tesla, right? But I talk about one, right? But I rather own the BMW truck any day, the X6 over a Tesla. You understand? It's my preference. Because everybody have their choice. Everybody have them own. Watch it, dog. I live life, eh? Yo, I want so much people left on Church Avenue today. I want to go on people. Okay. I'm going to get them food and them things and them nicks and them knocks. So the thing set, you know. People have to get what's necessary, what them need. Kinda always so easy for everyone, you know. So the help necessary. Very, very necessary. I don't know one of the Church Avenue I gotta use because you see it. Church and 53rd. See guys, yeah. Work man, I put in work, you see it. That's it. Now we are reach Utica Avenue. Yes, you know, see a bit of traffic out of them place, you know. People, if you don't like the vlog, smash the like and subscribe. Bless up the comment section and them something there. You see it? Yeah man. Do that for me, please. Get a good view of the whole place, in general. Yeah. Yo, watch ya. How so much chapaling over here, sir? I go on over there like look like it's a camper man camp out. Man is that. I want to show you say it's a stall, you know, bro. Virgin sell chain and them things. You see me beads. It's a bead spot, man. Yeah, that way there. And over them places, you go get your deals them and thing over them places there, you see me? As you can see, soap them cheap, I kind of sitting over there. Yeah. That's why it's sitting said.